Okay, good morning. Hope everybody's having a really good day. It's stuff. So this is day 2 of week 9. So we're transitioning into second quarter. There's 2 major things that we're working on this week. So I'll just review them really quick. And then you're going to have the period to work on exact path, right? Because that's the main focus of our week. Okay, so we're going to go to modules. And remember, you can find the summary of things on that live session, the lesson recording page. And there's 2 major assignments that we're doing this week, okay? We are doing the quarter 1 reflection, and most of you got this done yesterday. So it's basically just answering the 2 questions. What's one academic success or habit that you've established this quarter that worked for you that you want to continue? So maybe it's attending class, being better about getting your work in on time, setting an alarm, you seeking more help. What's working for you that you want to keep going? And then 2, what's one academic weakness or habit that you could change or improve? So maybe you're not doing well with attendance, grades. Maybe you need to set an alarm. Maybe you need to come to small group. Maybe you need to keep a calendar, one thing. Okay. So number 1, a sentence or 2. Number 2, a sentence or 2. That's it. This is a summative. So this is a great way to start the quarter with a really good grade. All right. So you just push, start assignment. And you can just literally text entry it, type it, and then submit it, okay? Then the second thing that we're focusing on is exact path, okay? So just like we've done the last 2 weeks, the goal in exact path is to do 1 math lesson and 1 reading lesson, okay? And you've completed a lesson when you get to the the progress, okay? So you wanna do the progress test or assignment and then see where you're at. Okay. If you have to redo an assignment, it's okay. All right. Or if they're going to have you redo something because you didn't quite know enough to progress in the lesson, that is okay. You can stop there, count it for the week, and then you can redo it the next week. Okay. So I'm not asking you to keep doing it till you pass every single week. All right. So 1 time through 1 lesson, progress grade or progress report. Sorry, I'm not talking well today. All right. So cold brain coming out. All right. So 1 math, 1 reading. All right. And stuff. So I'll show you how to get into it. So if you open up another tab, we're going to go to Clever. Find my. So remember that you should already have it bookmarked. Okay. So if you have to go to district pages, it's the Edmentum, that fancy E. Put a heart on it, and that way it'll be on your short list, and it makes it easier. Okay. You just click on it, launch it. And then you go and log in, and if you log in through Clever, it should automatically log you in. And then you either choose your math or your reading path. Okay. Once you're done with one, then you do the other. When you're done with that, then you go back into Canvas and you submit a completion. All right. So you literally just say start assignment. You say, I have completed. It says right here, I have completed 1 reading skill and 1 math skill in my learning path of exact path this week, and submit it. And then when I go in and grade them, then I go and I open up exact path, and then I cross-reference to make sure that you did something. And it shows the date when you were working. Okay, so it has to be sometime this week. All right. Give me a thumbs up if you're good. You're just going to pick up where you left off yesterday. You should have started exact path yesterday. So just keep going. The goal is that this should not be homework. You should be able to get this done in class. All right. So, if you get stuck on something, just keep going. All right. It's tough. So the goal is that this is all done in class. Okay. Anyone need me to go over anything? Anybody have any questions? So the 2 major things we're doing, right? The quarter 1 reflection. You can find both of these in week 9. And the quarter 1 reflection, you can find both these in week 9, and then the exact path for week 9. So you have the entire period to do this. If you have questions, let me know. If you're having a hard time getting into exact path, does anyone need any help getting into exact path, or you're not sure about the quarter 1 reflection? Please raise your hand or put it in the chat, and I can go over it again, or I can assist you. So both these are due by Tuesday the 10th, okay? And the reason they're due next week, there's no school on Monday. You guys have staff, or we have staff development day. So you guys get the day off. Yay, 3-day weekend for you. And then because that's when officially Q2 starts. So the stuff we're doing this week is going into Q2. So get it done this week. No reason to drag it out, but it's technically due on Tuesday so that it goes into the new quarter.